Good morning, dear students. So, today we are going to start chapter 4 from the literature Dr. Vikram Sarabhai. Who was Dr. Vikram Sarabhai? In this chapter, we are going to read about the biography of Dr. Vikram Sarabhai. So, Dr. Vikram Sarabhai was an astronomer and Indian physicist who initiated space research and helped develop nuclear power in India. He was honored with Padma Bhushan in 1966 and Padma Vibhushan in 1972. He is internationally regarded as the father of Indian space program. He was born on 12th August 1919. Yes, Dr. Sarabhai was born on 12th August 1919 in Ahmedabad in an affluent family. His parents were generous and they spent most of their time and money for social work. Dr. Sarabhai was very good at his studies, especially in science and maths, and all his teachers were sure that he would make his mark as a scientist. As a high school student, he was fond of science. When his friends read storybooks, Vikram read about the achievements of great scientists. Observing his keen interest in science, his father encouraged him and provided all the books and magazines that Vikram needed. And see, as a result, he was regarded as a all his hard work, whatever he wanted, he learned from science, he applied, and finally he was internationally named as a father of Indian space program. Okay, so let's read more about Vikram Sarabhai. He was born into a wealthy business family in India. He enjoyed a privileged childhood and the means to pursue all the education he wanted. He was born into a very wealthy business family and he enjoyed his childhood quite well. And as you all know, his parents, his father especially, encouraged him by providing all the books and magazines needed for his studies. So you can imagine how it is easy for him to pursue all the dreams of education he wanted. From a young age, Sarabhai developed a deep interest in science and mathematics. He was a very curious child who loved to explore life. After completing his primary education from India, he moved abroad for further studies. He moved abroad where? To England for further studies in physics. Okay, and there he joined St. John's College. He got his degree in physics and mathematics. He read about scientific discoveries and inventions. After that, by the time he was back to India, he was sure. So, by the time he was back to India, he was fixated on contributing something of relevance to the country. So, when he returned back to India, he was very much determined to do something for his country. He began researching on cosmic rays at the Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, where he worked under Sir C.V. Raman. And it was a treat for him to work as an assistant to the great Nobel laureate. Vikram carried out research on cosmic rays so that cosmic rays would help him in understanding terrestrial magnetism and the atmosphere, the nature of sun and the outer space. As I told you, he began his research on cosmic rays. Cosmic rays, what do you mean by cosmic? Yes. Cosmic rays means radiations reaching earth from outer space. So he began his research on cosmic rays at Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, where he worked under Sir C.V. Raman. He was awarded PhD by Cambridge University in 1947 for his studies on the subject. In spite of his intense involvement with scientific research, he took active interest in industry, business, and development issues. Sarabhai founded the Ahmedabad Textile Industries Research Association in 1947 and looked after its affairs until 1956. So, in spite of his keen interest in scientific research, he took interest in industry, business, and development issues also. And after that, he founded Ahmedabad Textile Industry Research Association in 1947 and looked after all its affairs till 1956. Realizing the need for professional management education in India, he was instrumental in setting up Indian Institute of Management in Ahmedabad in 1962. After the contribution to textile industry, what did he realize? That need of professional management education in India. And for that, he